Guys, how's it going? Chad here with you. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel, and today is just going to be a quick follow-up review video of the TBS Pronano 32. Now, I have the Pronano 32 installed in my micro reverb here, and it's back here in the back underneath the RXSR, wrapped up in electrical tape. See the antenna coming out here. Just using the regular dipole antenna that comes with it and clicks right into the UFL connector. So there's plenty of comparison videos out there that shows the video performance of this versus whatever. And let me just go ahead and elaborate on things that I like and I dislike about it. So we'll start with the likes. The likes is that this thing performs just as good as any other TBS VTX that's out there. Of course, you can get higher power if you needed it. But this thing, for its size, is just amazing. If you were burnt by the old Pro Nano or whatever it was that ran off 5 volts and had like the bad connectors and the power level was really bad, rest assured you're not going to have those problems with this one. I've been flying this for the past couple weeks now, and 85-degree heat, high humidity, over and over and over, say 15-20 minutes straight. I've had no overheating issues running it at 100 milliwatts and at 400 milliwatts. At 100 milliwatts, it performs just as good as any of my old race VTXs running at 200 and some even at 400 using rapid fire and just the dipole antenna. Soldering through holes, even though they're still pretty small and it's a little tricky to solder on there, are way better than those little indents that the old Nano had, so that's gone. So now to the cons. The one con is that you could use this pretty much in any rig that you wanted. Race rigs would be great. Somebody like me though that likes to get the antenna up and out of the way, I just still don't like UFL connectors. I broke too many on them on too many things, so therefore I don't really trust a UFL to SMA mount and then putting a larger antenna on it to get some range, like on like a 5-inch quad or whatever. I still just like that MMCX connector to SMA. It just makes me feel more comfortable. But if you're okay with that and you're racing or something, then hey, you are good to go with just the UFL connector. Besides the range and the power being great, the clarity is just amazing. Smart Audio 2.1 works great with Falco X. Also works great if you have it hooked up to CROSSFIRE, because I do have this same VTX hooked up in another rig. So it's real easy. You can go ahead and easily unlock it, and you know exactly what your power levels are and everything like that. So that is it, short and to the point. This thing is a definite bargain. It's a great VTX. It's a great replacement pretty much for any VTX out there if you're okay with that UFL, SMA, or whatever you might be using. Now the Pro 32HV is something that's very interesting because it's basically the same VTX as far as I can tell. It's just cooled, so that way they're able to just blow the thing up and get this crazy amount of power out of it. So I guess we will see. One of those is on the bench here. We're going to be taking a look at that here shortly. So that's going to do it for this little follow-up video, guys. Got any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.